What is that new building? Is that more government office?
This the police headquarters.
Police?
Police headquarters.
Police headquarters?
Shit.
Yes.
Police headquarters is the biggest.
This side, this side.
Oh, on that side. On the other side. Here. Oh, there's a hospital.
This hospital, police hospital.
Police hospital.
Government staff hospital.
Oh, for like military. Oh, if you work for the government.
Like the VA.
Government.
Kind of like the
Left
VA.
side is university. Dhaka
University?
Dhaka University.
Oh, Dhaka University. There's a lot of university,
Big
huh?
area. Big area.
Oh.
Oh, it's a wide open street here. Damn, that's a big university. Gee, it's set up like the high school in Trinidad.
This is 1.5 kilometer.
1.5 kilometers.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a big
This
university.
2 kilometer.
Wow.
Big
Huge.
university.
Wow. Is school here free or you have to pay?
No, university,
Oh.
not a school.
Oh, university you have to pay? No?
Yeah.
It's like a different universe over there. You know?